If you are young, a teenager, or even a child who takes care of himself, his family, and his beloved ones, you have to listen to this message. My name is Omar Soub. I am 13 years old, and today I will be sharing with you an important story. I'm a survivor from the Dead Sea flash flood tragedy that happened in Jordan Dead Sea about 2 years ago in the 25th of October 2018. Tragedy that shook the entire world. Jordan lost 22 people. 14 of them are children. Most of them were my friends. During these 2 years, I wondered what happened in the accident. I looked for an answer everywhere. I asked everyone. All the answers returned to me as, it is just a natural disaster. So, I decided to ask an expert. I knocked the door at the largest organization for nature, which is IUCN, the International Union for Conservation of Nature. I understand that if we protect nature, we protect ourselves. Everything happens for a reason. The flood happened because people abuse nature. So, nature returns it to us by slapping us in the face. If we keep abusing nature, more natural disasters will keep happening. Be part of the change. Be part of the union. Join the IUCN mission. Let the world hear your voice. This is just the beginning, and we will keep going. We are the future.